In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change time format to 24-hour from 12-hour time format here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar, type for Control Space Panel. Once you've typed it, a BESMA should appear. Please click on the Open option to continue. Now you will be able to see a window like this, and if you're in your case it's not looking like this, simply proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see the view by click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once you're good, please navigate for the locating for date and time, which is in my case it is being placed at the fifth row, placed at the top. So click on it and eventually this kind of window would appear. Please click on change date and time, which has the shield icon, and go with change calendar settings. The moment you click on it, this kind of window would appear, which is the region. Please click on additional settings, and it is being composed of four sections. So since we're dealing with the changing to 24-hour format, then we need to proceed with the time. And from here, you can see that the etched, small letter H is for 12-hour format, and the capital H is for 24-hour. So we need to change it into capital etched. So you can select HHMM or you can select HMM. Okay. So once you have set the short time to capital etched colon mm, please proceed to the long time and please proceed to HHMM colon SS. Once you click on it, click on apply and then OK. Click on apply and then OK. And in that way, you would be able to set the 24-hour time format from 12-hour format in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.